I'm going to show you 10 websites where you can get hundreds of thousands of photos and videos. The first one on our list is Unsplash. Now, Unsplash offers a vast collection of high-end resolution, and it's all royalty-free photographs, and these are contributed by photographers worldwide. Now, this site is particularly strong in lifestyle and nature photos. Second on our list is Pixabay. Now, Pixabay provides a wide range of free stock photos, vectors, illustrations, and videos. Now, all content is released under the Pixabay license, which makes them safe to use without asking for permission or giving credit to the artist. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Pexels. Pexels offers high quality and completely free stock photos licensed under the Pexel license. It's a great source for finding contemporary and stylish photography. So next on our list is Freepik. Now, Freepik is known for its vast library of vector arts, illustrations, icons, and some photos. Now, while many of the resources are free, some do require attribution to the author. Number 5 on our list is Vacy. Now, Vacy also offers a large selection of free vector art, stock photos, and videos, but this site is very good for finding vector illustrations and graphics. Next on our list is StockSnapio. Now, this site offers a very large collection of high resolution photos, and every one of them is royalty free. Now, it is known for its easy use interface, but what it does claim is that it updates all its photos quite regular. So number 7 on our list is Flaticon. Now, this one specializes in vector icons and stickers, and it does come in various formats like PNG, EPS, and PSD. Now, this is really good for your web designers and graphic designers, but I'm pretty sure you can use it in your video projects too. So next we have Rawpixel, and just like the others, it gives you photos, videos, vector arts, but the unique thing about this one, it also gives you mock-ups. Let's have a quick look. So here we have a quick mock-up, and it looks very similar to Canva. For those who use Canva, you will immediately see it has the same feel to it. And again, it gives you lots of mock-ups to work with, which you can customize yourself, but it does offer a lot of free photos and actually videos. Number 9 on our list is then Canva. And as you can see, Canva is actually primarily used as a design tool. And you can see here, this is where I make my thumbnails. So if you are doing videos for YouTube, obviously thumbnails is very important. And this is where I create all my thumbnails, because it gives you lots of elements, text, graphics, effects, and even photos, what you need. But you can also use this as a free photo website. I'll give you a quick example. If I just click on photos, I can type in here, let's say I want cars, and it gives me a host of cars that I can use in my video or even in making my thumbnails. And this is a great resource to be using for all types of projects. Number 10 on our list is also today's sponsor, which is Evant Elements. In my opinion, this is everything you need to be a video or content creator. It offers you a large library of photos and videos, and if you're looking for that special sound effect or even music, Evant Elements have you covered. So have a look at Evant Elements.